Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my video today. On today's video, I'm going to be doing part one of my 3-part ride improvement project. Last year I installed a 2.5-inch rough country spacer lift. Great kit, easy to install, gave me the ability to run the 37s. That was my main goal, but also because I don't off-road, spacer lift kit is just enough for what I need. But the one thing is, combined with the 37s, the Cooper STT Pros, the lift kit, ride quality did go down a bit. I know it's a Jeep, so it rides like a Jeep, but I do think there's ways to upgrade the ride quality. So I'm going to be adding 3 new components to my lift kit, and I'm hoping that those components will will improve my ride quality. The first upgrade that I'm going to be adding is shocks. This kit that I purchased only came with shock extensions. So I've been running my Rubicon shocks, but I think one of my Rubicon shocks is blown out. So I think upgrading the shocks is going to be a big advantage, and it's going to help with the tire combination and make everything ride. The second part is the geometry correction brackets. I purchased a set from Ranchos, so I'm going to be installing those. That'll be a separate video. And then the last component is going to be a steering stabilizer, which 37's definitely going to help with steering and bump steer and just ride improvement. So those are the 3 things we're going to be adding. So today's video, we're going to do the shock upgrade. So you can see down here, I have the Rubicon shocks, and you can see the spacer, the shock extensions. You know, they aren't red because I've wrapped them in the neon yellow, but I'm going to be upgrading them. So the shocks I'm going to be choosing to upgrade to are the Fox 2.0s. So I'm very excited about this. Definitely looking forward to seeing how these turn out. On today's video, I'm going to quickly go through installing them. So I'll just show you kind of the video of installing them, and then I'll give you a comparison of ride quality and see so I can help you guys know that if you're looking to upgrade your shocks, that these might be a good thing. The shocks that I purchased are also a 2 to 3 inch lift. So that means I can remove that shock extension. So that's going to be great because it's just going to look better, but also help perform a little bit better. So we're going to be removing those, installing the shocks, and going from there. So let me get into the install and we'll put them together, and then we'll show you the comparison video of how much the ride did improve both outside and inside the cab. So let's get to it. So just got back from the first ride with the new shocks. Definitely think there was a performance upgrade and improvement. Noticed small bumps were a lot smoother, and overall ride was a lot more controlled. So definitely think the Fox 2.0 shocks helped my first step to improving the ride quality of this lift. I know I didn't mention it in the intro of this, but I purchased these shocks from shocksurplus.com. Very easy company, good pricing. I think they're about $650 altogether. Not 100% sure. Might have been on sale, but the shocks, they came very fast, easy to get. I think they said 4 to 6 days originally for shipping, and they only showed up in 1 to 2. So if you need shocks, they're the guys to go to. You get a good price and they get you fast. I'm going to see how the performance does from now on, but I think at this point I can consider part 1 complete. So I'll see you on part 2 for this video. Please guys, like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, please feel free to post them and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But right now, very happy with the outcome of the shocks. Can't wait to see what the next parts do to complete this project. So for now, I'll see you guys on the next video.